If your Telegram isn't sending you the login code, here's how to fix that. Right here on the Telegram desktop app, click on the hamburger menu, go to Settings, and go to My Account. Right here, you can check the phone number that you have added on your account is the number that you have on your phone. Make sure that you also have the country code associated with that number. Now, in order to change the phone number on the app, you have to use your phone. So now let's open up your phone. On your phone, open up the Telegram app and make sure that the number and the country code is the number that you have set inside the app. The next thing you want to check is to go into Settings and go to Messages and make sure that Send as SMS is turned on. And then also turn off this setting called Filter Unknown Senders. And the third thing you want to do is, this is optional, you can turn off the Wi-Fi, turn on the airplane mode, and simply turn everything back on. And the last thing you want to check is to go into Settings, go to Messages, and make sure that the message Telegram is sending you isn't blocked. And now that should be able to solve the problem of you not receiving the code Telegram is sending you when trying to log in into the app.